Hey there, crafters and DIY enthusiasts. Are you ready to take your custom apparel game to the next level? Have you been wondering which heat press machine is the best for your projects? Well, you're in luck, because today we're diving deep into the world of heat press machines to find the cream of the crop. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, we've got you covered with our comprehensive review of the top 7 heat press machines on the market. So, let's get pressing. 7. Cricut EasyPress 3 Smart Heat Press Machine. The Cricut EasyPress 3 is a game changer in the world of heat press machines. This smart device combines the convenience of a handheld iron with the power of a traditional heat press. I've had the pleasure of testing this machine, and I must say, it's impressive. One of the standout features of the EasyPress 3 is its smart capabilities. You can connect it to your smartphone via Bluetooth and use the Cricut Heat app to access precise time and temperature settings for various materials. This takes the guesswork out of your projects and ensures consistent results every time. The EasyPress 3 heats up quickly and maintains an even temperature across its surface. I found this particularly useful when working on larger designs, as it eliminated the need for multiple presses. The ceramic-coated plate glides smoothly over fabrics, reducing the risk of scorching or damaging delicate materials. Another aspect I appreciate is its portability. The compact design makes it easy to store and transport, perfect for crafters who like to work on the go or have limited workspace. Despite its smaller size, it doesn't compromise on performance. However, it's worth noting that the EasyPress method not be suitable for high-volume production. If you're running a business with large orders, you might want to consider a more industrial option. But for hobbyists and small business owners, this machine offers an excellent balance of functionality and ease of use. 6. Cricut EasyPress 2 Heat Press Machine. The Cricut EasyPress 2 is the predecessor to the EasyPress 3, but it still holds its own in the heat press market. I've had extensive experience with this model, and it continues to impress me with its reliability and performance. One of the key features of the EasyPress 2 is its precise temperature control. You can set the temperature in 25-degree increments, allowing for fine-tuned adjustments based on your project needs. The digital display is clear and easy to read, making it simple to monitor your settings. The EasyPress 2 comes in various sizes, but I found the 12 by 10-inch model to be particularly versatile. It's large enough to handle most standard designs, but still manageable for smaller items like onesies or tote bags. The evenly heated surface ensures consistent results across the entire plate. In terms of safety, the EasyPress 2 excels. The auto shoot-off feature gives peace of mind, especially during busy crafting sessions where it's easy to get distracted. The insulated safety base provides a secure place to rest the press when not in use, protecting your work surface. While it lacks the smart features of its successor, the EasyPress 2 is still a solid choice for both beginners and experienced crafters. Its straightforward operation and consistent performance make it a reliable tool for a wide range of heat transfer projects. Stepping up to a more industrial-grade option, we have the PowerPress Digital Sublimation Heat Press Machine. This beast of a machine is designed for those who need to handle larger volumes and bigger projects. The first thing that struck me when testing this machine was its robust construction. The solid steel frame provides stability and durability, essential for frequent use. The large 15 by 15-inch heat platen offers ample space for larger designs, making it ideal for t-shirts, sweatshirts, and even small banners. One of the standout features of the PowerPress is its digital time and temperature control. The LCD display is clear and easy to read, allowing for precise adjustments. I found the temperature to be incredibly consistent across the entire platen, resulting in even transfers every time. The pressure adjustment knob is another feature I appreciated. It allows you to fine-tune the pressure based on the thickness of your material, ensuring optimal contact for the best transfer results. This level of control is particularly useful when working with a variety of fabrics and transfer types. However, it's worth noting that this machine has a steeper learning curve compared to smaller, handheld options. It takes some practice to get comfortable with the clamshell design and to find the right balance of time, temperature, and pressure for different projects. But once you've mastered it, the PowerPress delivers professional quality results consistently. 4. HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine. The HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine is a unique entry in our lineup, offering a blend of automation and traditional heat press functionality. After spending some time with this machine, I can say it's an intriguing option for those looking to streamline their heat transfer process. The standout feature of the HTVRONT is its auto-open function. Once the set time is reached, the press automatically opens, reducing the risk of overpressing and potentially damaging your materials. This feature is particularly useful when multitasking or working on large batches. I was impressed by the even heat distribution across the 10 by 12 inch platen. The machine heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature throughout the pressing process. The digital controls are intuitive, allowing for easy adjustment of time and temperature. One aspect I particularly appreciated was the slide-out lower platen. This design makes it easier to position your items accurately without the risk of burning your hands. It's a small but significant feature that enhances both safety and convenience. The HTVRONT also comes with a variety of accessories, including a Teflon sheet, silicone pad, and transfer sheets. These additions add value to the package and help you get started right out of the box. While the auto-open feature is generally a plus, I found that it might not be ideal for all types of transfers. Some materials benefit from a slow, controlled release of pressure. However, for most standard heat transfer vinyl and sublimation projects, the HTVRONT performs admirably. 3. VEVOR Heat Press Machine 15 by 15 inch. The VEVOR Heat Press Machine is a versatile and reliable option that I've had the pleasure of testing extensively. This 15 by 15 inch press offers a good balance between size and functionality, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. One of the first things I noticed about the VEVOR is its sturdy construction. The heavy-duty steel frame provides stability during operation, which is crucial for achieving consistent results. The clamshell design opens wide, allowing for easy placement and removal of items. The digital time and temperature controls are straightforward to use. I found the LCD display to be clear and easy to read, even in varying light conditions. The machine heats up quickly and maintains temperature well, which is essential for busy production environments. A feature I particularly appreciated was the adjustable multi-spring balancer. This allows you to fine-tune the pressure based on the thickness of your material. Whether you're working with thin t-shirts or thicker sweatshirts, you can dial in the perfect amount of pressure for optimal transfers. The VEVOR also comes with a Teflon-coated heat platen, which I found to be a great addition. It prevents sticking and makes cleaning a breeze. The non-stick surface also helps to distribute heat evenly, resulting in more consistent transfers. While the VEVOR performs well overall, I did notice that it can be a bit heavy to move around. If you plan to transport your heat press frequently, this might not be the best option. However, for a stationary setup, its weight contributes to its stability and performance. 2. The Stahls Hotronix 360 IQ Hat Heat Press. As someone who has worked with various hat presses, I can confidently say that this machine is a game changer for anyone serious about customizing headwear. The standout feature of the Hotronix 360 IQ is its ability to apply heat and pressure to the entire crown of a hat in one press. This is achieved through its innovative 360-degree design, which wraps around the hat form. I found this to be incredibly efficient, especially when working on designs that extend beyond the front panel of the hat. The IQ technology is another impressive aspect of this machine. It allows you to store and recall specific time, temperature, and pressure settings for different types of hats and transfers. This feature is a huge time saver when switching between different projects or materials. I was particularly impressed with the interchangeable hat forms. The press comes with forms for both structured and unstructured hats, as well as youth sizes. This versatility allows you to work with a wide range of hat styles without compromising on quality. The touchscreen interface is intuitive and easy to use. It provides clear information about your current settings and even includes helpful application instructions for different types of transfers. This guidance is especially useful for those new to hat pressing. While the Hotronix 360 IQ is a specialized machine, its performance in its niche is unparalleled. If you're serious about hat customization, whether for a business or as a dedicated hobbyist, this press is worth the investment. However, if hats are only a small part of your heat press projects, you might find a more versatile option more suitable. At the top of our list, we have the Stahls Hotronix Hover Press, and let me tell you, this machine is a true innovation in the world of heat presses. After extensive testing, I can confidently say that it lives up to its reputation as a game changer in the industry. The most distinctive feature of the hover press is its ability to float above the garment before making contact. This hover function allows you to perfectly align your transfer before applying heat and pressure. I found this incredibly useful for achieving precise placement, especially with multi-layer designs or when working with delicate fabrics. The Hotronix HoverPress boasts an impressive 16 by 20-inch platen, providing ample space for larger designs. Despite its size, I was pleasantly surprised by how easy it was to operate. The smooth up and down motion, coupled with the adjustable pressure settings, made it comfortable to use even during long production runs. One of the standout features is the touchscreen interface. It's intuitive, responsive, and provides a wealth of information at your fingertips. You can easily set and save custom presets for different types of transfers, which is a huge time saver when switching between projects. The heat distribution on this press is exceptional. I consistently achieved even, high-quality transfers across the entire platen. The auto-open feature is also a nice touch, preventing overpressing and allowing you to multitask more efficiently. While the Hotronix HoverPress is on the higher end of the price spectrum, its performance and features justify the investment for serious crafters and businesses. It's a versatile machine that can handle everything from delicate fabrics to thick sweatshirts with ease. In conclusion, each of these heat press machines offers unique features and benefits. Your choice will depend on your specific needs, budget, and the types of projects you typically work on. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your current setup, there's a heat press on this list that's perfect for you. Happy pressing, everyone!